How to use Claude Code in AWS. So the usual setup is to run Claude Code against Amazon Bedrock instead of Anthropic's direct API, since AWS officially supports Anthropic cloud models in Bedrock. And Anthropic's Cloud Code docs say Claude Code can use a third-party provider like Amazon Bedrock. Before it works, you gotta put in mind that you need AWS account with billing enabled, Amazon Bedrock access, and model access for Anthropic turned on in a supported region. Anthropic models on Bedrock also require completing the first time use access step in AWS before you can invoke them. But once you have that all in mind, what you're gonna have to do is make sure you have already installed the Claude Code in your device or your machine and then open your terminal. This account doesn't really have our Claude Code, but we can still explain to you how you can do this. But you can open your terminal and configure it to use Amazon Bedrock as the provider during authentication or setup. But in your AWS, you can go to your Amazon Bedrock, and then once you're here, scroll down directly to configure and learn, and then your model access. Here you can request access to the cloud model that you want. Then make sure your AWS credentials are available locally, which is usually through the configure section. If you want the supported models, you could go ahead here to the user guide for your Amazon Bedrock. You can go here to the detailed model information to your supported models and go to the find in table section and type in Claude. Here you can take a look at the models that are available with its provider and the other information like the ID, input modalities, and the rest that you could possibly need. So after that, you can launch Claude Code in your project folder and select Bedrock Back Claude for coding tasks like reading files or editing code. But that's pretty much it, since AWS also now supports official agent plugins that work with Claude Code, including AWS services tooling from the Claude marketplace. So that's pretty much the general idea on how you can do this. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.